First of all, Gadan Bachar ni onai and khulumnai ne ko najau garda. I might not be very well versed with Bodo words, so I have prepared this cheat sheet. Mane angoni voice ako hai or speech ako ichi systematic way hai present klama by dungman. Ashkana anga well list ako prepare klam dung, and I am gonna tell what are the things the students here they face, especially the Bodo students. First of all, I am Kavita Saiba. I am Munga Kavita Saiba. Or ang IIT Bombay High Aerospace Engineering High Masters Klamdang, and 1 year tabay ang High Masters Klamnene. Or angi hometown na jabay West Bengal High. I am from Siliguri. Well, first of all, if I want to say that suppose any student has got admission in Mumbai in a prestigious college like IIT Bombay, like this, like any management colleges, so BA Shomao, be students from Maklangan. First of all, Bishan Nagarigan je Gauni Chineni, hometown ni, Charbapur Mumbai hai Donama, Bihai Thangani hai, Mohai Thana, accommodation e ma bepar. Manala Mumbai is very expensive. Bahai Thanaklai getting flat is really expensive and it is really tedious. So, if we have societies like Mumbai Bodo Society and we have Bodoland House, so it is good for them. Bisa thangani hai directly contact lama hagan societies ko hai je jinge thana any problem, maybe you can accommodate us for few days. And after that, if you reach that place, you want to get in touch with your people, you want to feel homely. At that time, what you gonna do? You are going to reach out to your people. And how do you reach to them? You will go and reach out through societies like Mumbai Bodo Society. Suppose, for example, in an accident, in some legal cases, I had stuck jabai. Bi shomanung chakoetha hetni gunina approach klamgan. Bi shomahai jabai ninge Mumbai Bodo Society hai ninge guardians, brothers and sisters bishra bahai thagan. So you need one society like this. And first and foremost, jita jing education a higher level hai thanga, utna jang eche deep gauni studies hai thanga, je jang gauni culture ni touch hai thaya jang. Thara this is wrong. Mane jitna jing education a higher jaiye, we should be more involved in our culture. We should outreach to people. Manchprako mithiho nango je jang bahai donga jinge existence ta donga, are we are in a good population. Our jang development abo dong be hanani hai. We have to make people know about us. So how do we do that? So we provide a cultural outreach program among students. Cultural outreach program hai maje hala. You spread things, information about your culture, about Bodo culture. So recently, I'll give you one example. Recently, maja kahla IIT Bombay munche cultural festival dongman. The cultural festival it was all about traditions. Different jaga hai mama culture dongma tradition dong. Bishni songs ni through se we were to exhibit. So I was not known ki IIT Bombay hai Bodo students for donganani hai. Wrong. I dance. Ang maklam kahla I joined Rajasthani group. Involved in our culture, we should outreach. Google friends for Dongman, bichare Bihu dance present klambai. Third, later on I came to know Mumbai Bodo Society ni pang ang michina bikoch bhai, je all of us we belong to Bodo community. To judi jang agone michia manamla, jang manche Bodo songa perform klama hanai man. So that is the lack of opportunity, lack of information. In short, students from Marita Gauni community ko hai help club. How do I benefit my people? In that case, we can give career orientation, like people who are in prestigious colleges, who are in dignified positions. They can give career counseling to juniors. For example, I study in IIT Bombay, so I am doing engineering in aerospace, which basically means एरोप्लेन पर बनाने नहीं, जहाज पर बनाने नहीं, and spacecraft बनाने नहीं. तो any people jai engineering hai thanga abaye, they can reach me. I'll be very glad to help them. So in short term, how do I contact all these people? Jodi ang base situations hai galiya amla ang morai ka gauni problem ako hai face klamma ar chako to khatana. So we are in need for an institution, for an organization or a society, which is Mumbai Borderland Society, for me at least here. But to represent this in society, we need a house. So there's a good need, good demand for Borderlands House. Thank you.
Guest house মাটি মুম্বাইত লম এইবাৰ মুম্বাইত লোৱা নাই
মই কৈ দিছোঁ আপোনাক যে আপুনি অসমৰ বাহিৰত আপুনি চেন্নাই আপুনি কেলকাতা আপুনি বেংগলোৰ এনেকুৱাত আপুনি বড়োলেণ্ড গেষ্ট হাউচ আপুনি আপোনাৰ দিনতে চাগে হৈছিলে সেইখিনি আপুনি কৰিছে তাৰপিছত ইয়াৰ ধৰক এতিয়া ছেক্ৰেটাৰী
এইবাৰ মুম্বাইত বনাম মুম্বাইত কৰা নাই গেষ্ট হাউচত মাটি মুম্বাইত লম এইবাৰ মুম্বাইত লোৱা নাই এইবাৰ লম